Health benefits of life plant. Bryophyllum commonly known as miracle leaf, air plant, cathedral bells, life plant and Gouda plant native to Madagascar, which is a popular houseplant and has become naturalized in tropical and subtropical areas. It belongs to the Gracilaceae family. The plant parts are thick and fleshy, which tends to preserve water in dry climates or soil conditions. The plant has antibacterial, antiviral, antimicrobial, antifungal, antihistamine and anaphylactic properties. It is good for almost any ailments like high blood pressure, headaches, abscess, and swellings. Tea made from stem and leaves is used for menstrual cramps, asthma and helps with sinus issues as well as increasing energy levels. It is also consumed to clean the bladder and get rid of harmful toxins from the intestines. Plant description. Life plant is a tall, erect, succulent perennial herb about 1 meter - 2 meters in height. It is an herb that appears commonly throughout India, but also is found in other parts of the world, such as Pakistan, Nepal, Brazil and the United States. Various medicinal uses are associated with the leaf of life. Plant grows well in tropical, subtropical and warm temperate climatic zone and does well in ordinary soil, enriched soil and mildly acidic to mildly alkaline soil. The plant has hollow stem, red or green in color, thick, flexible and short, glabrous and succulent. Leaves. The leaves are 5 to 25 centimeters long and 2 to 12 centimeters broad. Lower parts have simple leaves and upper parts have complex joint leaves, having 6-7 leaves in opposite pattern. The stalks, petioles, are 2 to 10 centimeters long. These leaves have an oval or narrowly oval shape and rounded tips, obtuse apices. The terminal leaflet is significantly larger than the others. From the scalloped margins of the leaves, new plants form often on becoming detached from the plant. Flower. Flowers bloom at the top of its stems in branched clusters. The color of the flowers is greenish yellow to pinkish red. The pendulous, tubular flowers are 7 centimeters long and form cymose panicle. They remain arranged in terminal inflorescence in branched clusters. The stalks, pedicle, are 10 to 25 millimeters long. They are partially fused into a calyx tube that supports the 4 lobes of the petal, corolla. Flowering occurs in winter and spring. Treats kidney stones. In case of kidney stones, give 40 to 50 milliliters decoction of whole plant twice a day. You can also give the decoction with 500 milligrams shilajit and 2 grams of honey mixed in it. Give this twice a day. It cures bile stone easily. Useful in urinary disorders, give 5 milliliters juice of its leaves to the patient suffering from thirst and any disorder related to urinary system. It is a very good and effective cure. In case of urine-related disorder in men, give 40 to 60 milliliters of its decoction with 2 grams honey mixed in it. Give this twice a day. Helpful in boils, slightly warm its leaves and crush them. Tie it as poultice on the affected area. It cures boils, redness and swelling too. For hypertension, give 5-10 drops of the extract of its aerial parts. It is beneficial in controlling blood pressure. Curbs leukemia, give 5-10 drops of the extract of its aerial part, twice a day. It is beneficial in blood cancer. For vaginal disorders, in case of vaginal flow in women, give 40 to 60 milliliters decoction with 2 grams honey mixed in it. Give this twice a day. Treats headache, crush its leaves and apply on the forehead. It cures headache. Aids in eye pain, extract the juice of its leaves and apply all around the eyes. It cures pain in the white part of eyes. Treatment for wounds, slightly warm the leaves and then crush them and tie on the wound. It helps the wound heal faster and also eliminates the scar. Cures bleeding diarrhea, give 3 to 6 grams juice of its leaves with cumin seeds and double amount of ghee mixed in it. Give this to the patient thrice a day. It controls the blood flow in diarrhea. Manage leucorrhea. For women who suffer from leucorrhea ailment, Use the decoction of the leaves twice daily. It helps delay the flow of blood within the blood vessels. Treat piles at home. Drink the extract of the leaves twice daily to get an effective cure for piles. Good for the liver. Bryophyllum pittum promotes the health of the liver. You can cure jaundice fast. Treat ear pain. Get a fast cure for your ear pain by applying the juice of the leaves. Cure boils. Crush a few leaves and form a poultice. Apply this on the boils. You can use this on redness and swelling of the skin. Helps heart health. It improves the health of the heart. Treat colds and coughs. For common cold and coughs, the juice of the leaves along with sugar candy will help. This can help people suffering from asthma also. Anti-inflammatory property. By applying the paste of the leaves on the place of the swelling, you can reduce it significantly. Relieves stomachache. If you have a stomachache, you can get relief by having the decoction of the leaves. Diuretic action. You can cure urinary disorders with the juice of the Bryophyllum pittum leaf. This is good for curing excessive thirst. Drink a potion of 40 to 60 milliliters every day in the morning and evening. Teething problems. Babies who are cutting their first teeth will have relief from the pain. Anthelmintic action. Bryophyllum pittum helps remove worms in the intestine effectively. Have the decoction of the leaves twice a day with honey. Antipyretic property. If you have a fever, the miracle leaf will help relieve your symptoms. Corrects dysentery. Have the leaf extract with honey to get relief from dysentery. Helps with weight management. You can lose weight by using the Bryophyllum pittum leaves. Prevents gray hair. Regular use of the miracle leaf will help prevent the graying of hair. It promotes the health of the scalp too. Good antioxidant property. Make tea with the dried leaves and have it twice or thrice a day. This will help you fight free radicals better. Helpful for diabetics. Control your diabetes with the Bryophyllum pittum leaves. Have the decoction twice every day and see your blood sugar levels drop significantly. Cures constipation. You can get relief from your constipation by having the tea made from the dried powder of the Bryophyllum pittum. Purifies blood. Miracle leaf has a purifying action on the blood. It removes the toxins and helps improve your health. Juice for chest cold. Warm 3 leaves and juice them. This should yield 2-3 tablespoons of leaf of life juice. Add a pinch of salt. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day for as long as needed.